Day everyone, I am Elroy Erwin El Guantero from BP2C. Did you know our educational system is shifting? Now, in this video, we'll explore how outcome-based education is revolutionizing learning. Content-based education, the focus is on what students learn. It's centered around completing a set curriculum and memorizing content. Success is often measured by how well students remember and reproduce information in tests or exams. Outcome based education. The focus is on what students can do with what they learn. It prioritizes developing skills and competence. Students are assessed based on their ability to apply knowledge in real life situations, not just on their test scores. Outcome based education brings several key benefits for students, teachers, and the entire education system.
Students, OBE helps students develop real world skills and competence. Instead of just memorizing facts for exams, students learn to apply knowledge in practical ways, preparing them for future careers. It allows for personalized learning where students can progress at their own pace, mastering each skills before moving on. For teachers, OBE empowers teachers to focus on helping students achieve clear, measurable outcomes. Teachers can tailor their lessons to meet individual students' needs, fostering deeper understanding and engagement in the learning process. For the educational system, OBE creates a more flexible and student centered system. It promotes critical thinking, problem solving, and collaboration skills that are essential in today's world. Additionally, OBE shifts to focus from merely passing exams to achieving true mastery, making education more meaningful and impactful for students and the society. Real life example for OBE school shows students excelling in hands-on projects, collaborative tasks, and creating problem solving, giving them a clear advantage when entering the workforce or higher education.
Implementation strategies.
Redesign curriculum, a transformative process for developing faculty in teaching, designing a learner-centered curriculum, and enhancing student learning. Train educators refers to the process of equipping teachers and other educational staff with the necessary knowledge, skills, and tools to improve their teaching practices or adopt new educational approaches. This training can focus on a wide range of areas depending on the goals of educational institute or system. Assess skills, not scores, emphasizing the measurement of students' ability to perform and apply knowledge rather than just their performance on tests or exams. Support your children by encouraging learning beyond textbooks. Focus on their own growth in practical skills. Take charge of your learning by understanding the skills you're gaining. It's more than just passing exams. Collaborate with your peers to create lessons that allow students to demonstrate mastery.
Outcome based education focuses on what students can do, preparing them for life beyond schools. If you believe in educational that prepares students for real world success, share this video and join the movement toward outcome based education. Comment down below if you experience outcome based education or have thoughts on improving education.